This puppy for another fly. 750mm Mustang. Here we go. Bring her down to me here. We can see her better this time. Here we go. You gotta keep that motor up. It's a little windy up there today. There we go. You can see her there though. Here we go. We'll try and cut her back in this way. Here we go. We'll try and cut her in. Cut her into the wind here. There we go. Bring her down. And cut her that way. Look at that, eh? Just beautiful. She's sitting in the wind there today. We'll turn it around and bring it back like that so you can see it. Bring her down here. Slow her down a bit. There you go. Look at this puppy. Just beauty. Just beautiful. Oh yeah. The wind's really bouncing it around there. I'm not going to stay up there too long. I promised you I'd bring her out again. So here we go. You can see the wind pushing her around there. Isn't this thing a nice plane or what? Wow, eh? Now that's going to go with the wind. There we go. We'll bring her back around. And as you can see, I'm only half throttle here. What I did was adjust my elevator through here, right here. I adjusted my elevator and it seems, now watch this. If I turn with one, that's not very good. Watch when I turn with two. See how it just comes straight towards me? So your turning radius will be a lot larger like it was on my maiden flight if you follow through like that. Look at it bouncing. Pretty cool. Okay, we'll bring her over, turn her here like this, bring her down a bit, let her stabilize. There we go. And again, 8-minute flights, right? I'll try and bring her by me here as low as I can. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Just beauty. Just beauty. Here we go. We'll bring it up a little bit. I'm going to bring it in for a landing. Okay. Throttle, try and bring it in the wind here. Just slightly. Nice. Raise the nose, raise the nose. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that beauty? And we'll taxi over to me. Getting pretty windy here, so it's fighting the wind. Look at it moving there. It's fighting the wind. I think that's why the battery went down fast. Take it easy. Bye-bye.